In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a project on LinkedIn. You can see I have already opened LinkedIn on my MacBook. Now I need to click on this profile. Again, click View Profile. Then click Add Sections. Here's a lots of things. I need to add project. So first, write your project name. So first, I paste this. This is a description, and this is a project title. Then this is a skill. You can add your own way. Now here's the media. This is optional. If you want to add, this is good. But if you don't like, just skip this media option. Currently, I working this project. So starting date and month. Then if you want to add a contributor, this is option, but I don't need. Click save. That's it. It's already added to my profile. Thanks for watching. See you again.